Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my pink ZARA haul. I'm fully dressed in pink because I'm going to show you the pink items I got from ZARA. Let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's go. So the first item is a cute two-piece set. So I got this jacket, which is so adorable. It's a cropped jacket and it matches perfectly with these shorts. So hello spring, I'm ready for you. I always order something crazy. So this time I got a button-up shirt and it's very short. I would wear it with like a crop top underneath. The next item is something I would totally wear for like an online meeting, maybe with something underneath it because the neckline is very low. It's also a super soft fabric, so I really love this button-up shirt. This one maybe isn't that pink, but it was worth showing you because this set is just adorable. These are wide-legged pants and this is like a crop top. Next up are leggings. Yes, I'm team leggings. It has this stretchy thing for your feet, which I'm not really a big fan of. It looks like it's a horse riding thing, but fine. I love the print, so that's all that matters. The next one is another cute top. It has like a floral print. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'm going to show you a close-up of this one too. But it has like a Peter Pan color and it has laces right here, so it kind of looks like a corset top. The next one is a super soft sweater vest. I really love orange. I don't know why, but I'm really into orange right now. I don't know why, but I didn't have a pink blazer before I got this one, so I'm really happy. I think I would style it with a dress or maybe with a mini skirt and a cute top. You can go either way. If you want pants, you can do that. It's just simple, basic. I love it and you look so put together in an instant. And the last one is also in the category of very special item I bought. So this is a puffer jacket. It's very big, very oversized, and I love it. It reminds me of those Nicholson jackets that were on trend like years ago, 2012. Not the best fashion year, but I really love this one and I'm really going to wear it a lot because it's always cold in Belgium and I'm always cold, so yeah, this is a match made in heaven. And that's everything I got from ZARA. I hope you liked this video. Let me know which item is your favorite. See you next time and have a great day. Bye!